Christmas on the beach. There's nothing like it. I'm at the buffet at deck 19, having some breakfast before I get off to explore Ocean Cay. Still looks pretty empty on the beaches, so I'm gonna quickly eat some food and then head out. Marcus and Kyle are already on the beach. You're sliding. I'm very excited. It's our last stop, so I'm excited to start have some fun and explore. Everywhere you go. It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Toys in every store, and the beaches have pink sand, and the ocean is clear as glass. Christmas on a cruise. That's my rendition of it's beginning to look a lot like Christmas. Alright, I'm throwing these sunglasses on. They have these trams that'll come pick you up. Here goes one. And they'll take you to all the different beaches, because some of the beaches are kind of hard to walk to if you're not privy to walking. So that's also something to think about if you're getting here a little bit earlier or a little bit later. Might be a little bit harder with the transportation. I think it's getting windy, so I think I'm gonna go. We did our first little bit of snorkeling. Didn't take you guys with me because we were just getting acclimated to our surroundings. Got a pina colada, found a spot at South Beach. The sounds, the wind. Found a spot at South Beach. So now, hold on, it's windy. We found a spot at South Beach. So now we're going back to Lighthouse Beach to move our stuff to South Beach. But first, the buffet. Christmas on the beach. There's nothing like it.
Entre as palmeiras o vento correu, homem com a alma cheia de luz, Bob Marley, sua mensagem nos conduz. Canta o amor, canta a paz, com sua guitarra que nunca se desfaz. Nas cordas do tempo, ele vai além, Bob Marley, nosso eterno bem. One love. uma só canção que une o mundo com emoção. Seu espírito vive, não vai se calar. Bob Marley, pra sempre a nos inspirar. Ele veio com força e dor, transformou a luta em puro amor. Falou de justiça, liberdade e fé, com um sorriso que ninguém esquece. Canta o amor, canta a paz, com sua guitarra que nunca se desfaz. Nas cordas do tempo, ele vai além. Bob Marley, nosso eterno bem. One love, uma só canção que une o mundo com emoção. Seu espírito vive, não vai se calar. Bob Marley, pra sempre a nos inspirar. Os leões rugem, a bandeira trêmula. Rastafari é força, é cultura. Redemption song, o grito da
22, but I'm
alma.
23.
Bob Marley,
Period.
sua
Hey,
mensagem
whoa,
acalma.
it feels like hey.
Uma só canção que une o mundo com emoção. Seu espírito vive, não vai se calar. Bob Marley, pra sempre a nos guiar. E quando o sol nascer.
Okay, so we've done so much. We are currently walking to the lighthouse to see the pier and watch the sunset. It's about 4:45 now. Every time I record, it gets windy out of nowhere. But I just need to project. That's what we're doing right now. We did some more snorkeling, we got lunch, we walked around. We've seen pretty much all of the beaches, right? Except for just these two over here. I don't know if we're gonna make it to that tiny one because it's literally back all the way at the other end. But you'll watch the sunset with us and then we'll get back on the boat, and I don't know what we're having for dinner because our dinner reservation was at 5. So we'll figure that out. I just feel so blessed. Like, look at this beautiful ship that we're on. It's gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. These are heavy. Just eating a peach. Need some substance. We're just walking. Get back on the boat. Sunset was gorgeous. All right, gotta go. Whoa. That was a beach day. Okay, so I think now on the agenda, I think I'm gonna go ahead and pack up my room, get everything ready because we need to put our luggage out tonight, and then get ready to go to dinner. The boys are going to the spa, so I'm just gonna hang out here for a little bit. shower, pack up, do my hair, get ready for dinner. It's casual night tonight. Just gonna wear a little dress and then we'll go from there. All right, folks, it's the last night on the boat. I am wiped, okay? This is the fit, it's very casual. You know the drill, shoes underneath the bar. I have on these checkered pants, backless, one piece. Let's go to the buffet. All right, Travelers Club, it's getting to the end of, I'm going in the elevator. It's getting to the end of the night. We just saw the Queen Symphonic show, packed up our bags, put them in the hallway, and now we're headed to see Odyssey, which is the last show that we haven't seen. We didn't get to see Dirty Dancing because we ended up going to the Speakeasy, which was way more fun. So, at least in my opinion. I don't know, I didn't get to see Dirty Dancing. So, like I said, we saw, what was the show called? Queen Symphonic, and now we're going to see Odyssey. Okay, we got Grandma's chocolate cake. We came to dinner just to get chocolate cake. It's probably so loud in here, but chocolate cake?
I started eating it before. The security lock is unlocked.
We got round 2.
Oh, look at that wave.
That's cool. Good morning. It's our last day on board. And by last day, I mean it's disembark day. Let's take a moment. I'll play a song for you on the world's tiniest violin. If you know what that reference is from, I love you. This is the fit for the day. I'll show you the fit in a second. But I have everything packed up. I did my room check and now I'm just going to head up to breakfast and then get ready to go. All of our flights leave around 1. So we're pretty much going directly to the airport because it's like 8 now. We probably won't get off and get our bags till like 9 or 10. And then we'll need to go directly to the airport. Yeah, this has been a great cruise. I'll probably do a recap at some point in the next couple of days. Thank you all for coming along on this journey, the vlogs, the Travelers Club. I love you. I'm gonna show you the fit and then breakfast, and then I'm not sure how much vlogging I'll do. So I'm gonna sign off now. Thank you so much for watching. You know I love these mirrors. One time, fit check. I have this mauve shirt on. I have on a jean jacket because I'm heading back to New York in the freezing cold. Ripped jeans, purple Converse. Let's go to breakfast. Here's my baby. Let's get her. Gotta go.
Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Entre as palmeiras o vento correu, um homem com a alma cheia de luz, Bob Marley. Sua mensagem nos conduz. Canta o amor, canta a paz, com sua guitarra que nunca se desfaz. Nas cordas do tempo, ele vai além. Bob Marley, nosso eterno bem. One love, uma só canção que une o mundo com emoção. Seu espírito vive, não vai se calar. Bob Marley, pra sempre a nos inspirar. Do gueto ele veio com força e dor, transformou a luta em puro amor.